Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. This is for the RC Heli guys out there. This is my Goblin 580, Kraken 580. I've had problems with it cutting off what I thought. Now, I could get plenty of flights and then it would cut off on me. First, I thought it was the speed controller. So I changed the speed controller. I flew it a while and it would still cut off. So I thought it was the motor. I put a brand new motor on it. And I'd fly it and every so often it would cut off. But every time I checked my log with the V-bar, it would show that the helicopter never cut off. So I thought it was the V-bar. I put a new V-bar on it. After I put a new V-bar on it, I was gonna fly it, and then I tried to spool the helicopter up. Everything was spinning except the blades. So I believe my problem all along has been my one-way bearing. Now, I know this helicopter had issues when they first introduced this helicopter. They had problem with the one-way bearing in the shaft that the one-way bearing goes on. But I replaced all of that when they first came out. So the only thing I can see now is to replace the one-way bearing and that shaft that the one-way bearing slides on in the transmission. So hopefully that'll solve my problem. So here's the one-way bearing and the gear. I just bought the whole thing instead of buying just the one-way bearing. And here's a brand new shaft that I bought. So I'll break it down and replace it. So I'll stop the camera and I'll get back and we'll see what's going on when I take it apart. So now I have everything taken apart. I have the head off. I'm going to rebuild the gearbox, and just wanted to show this is the old shaft that the one-way bearing goes on, and this is the new one. Look at that difference. Look at that big groove wore into the shaft. Now, I'm not a math major or anything, but I use my caliber and it's set on millimeters. And where it's worn, it's 9.83. And then I measured the shaft, the new shaft, and it's 9.90. So that much has worn off of that in the middle where that one-way bearing runs. Yeah, so I guess let me get it all buttoned back up here and be back with you guys again. So I got all of everything back together, the gearbox put back together. Everything's ready to go. Just put the blade. I just need to put the blades on it. So we'll take it out for a test flight. See you guys then. Okay, guys, I have a new wireless microphone on. It's a little windy out here. We'll see if this microphone cuts down on some of the wind noise I was having. So this is the new one-way bearing. Let's give it a try and see what happens. I'm gonna do some pitch pumps, testing the one ways. Seemed like it would mostly cut off on me when I was doing flips. Maybe that is because the blades were biting and then the one way wouldn't hold up. Seems to be holding up. A few more pitch pumps. Might need to turn my tail gain down a tad bit. Well, it seems to be holding up okay.
Motor off, motor idle.
Well, guys, I hope that solved my problem. Well, that's it, guys. I'm leaving the airfield. The helicopter stayed in one piece. I hope I solved my problem. So I guess that's about it. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. And you helicopter guys, give me a comment on what you think about this video. See you guys next time.